Disney friends. So we are here today at Epcot for date night. Yay! I know I was just here, but I said it's my favorite festival. I'm gonna come as much as I can, and the weather is perfect. And look who came with me. It's not a solo date. Say hi.
Hello.
So what do we get? We started off the night with a sake and Sbarro, but not the kind he likes, so he's kind of disappointed. It tastes fine. It's good. It's not the best. But yeah, we're gonna see where the night takes us. It is a little crowded here, of course, because it's evening time. But right now we're just relaxing in one of our favorite hiding places over here by Japan. And we'll probably go get a few bites after this. So come walk with us. Hey, Dustin.
Yeah.
So I'm being a cheap date tonight.
Oh.
And we're just gonna get drinks and we're gonna eat at the food stands. But in Epcot, if we were going on a real date, like you want to impress me date, what would you do? What restaurant would you book?
The Cellar.
Le Cellier?
Yeah.
I agree. That's probably the best one. The ambience is good. It's dark. Good steaks. Little pricey. So
yeah.
That person better be pretty much worth it. If they aren't worth it, where would you take them?
The Morocco place that's closed.
Marrakesh. Oh, yeah, that was bad.
That was just bad.
And I love the idea of it. I wish they'd open it back up with better food and maybe clean it up a little bit, clean off the coloring that was on the wall, and have a better dessert. Yeah. But yeah, I agree. Yeah. So we're doing it. We're gonna do some painting on the big mural. We got our paints, number 7 and 10. Dustin chose 7.
Yeah. Yellow.
Yellow. I'm orange. Okay, let's do this.
You're up.
Okay, we got our paint. We're in front of the mural. We gotta find number 10s. And Dustin has to find number 7s. Okay, so this was the fabulous mural masterpiece that we helped paint on. It's gonna be gorgeous. It'll probably, sell for millions just because we were on it. Can't say that I was very good at it. I went out of the lines, but that's what makes art cool. You don't have to stay on the lines. Very Disney. Has Elvis on your Chris Pratt. Very cool. So we got finished with our drinks. We are headed through America. That is the line, the standby entrance for the Broadway show. It is 4:30 currently. The first show starts at 5:45, so they are lined up early. They are excited to hear some Broadway songs. Yeah, I am not that ambitious. I will be happy just to sit across, not in the actual area. Be perfectly happy. So I finally made it into the wine cellar in Italy. This is my first time. It's always fun to try something new. We ended up getting a Italian margarita and an Italian martini. Look at how pretty it is in here. My goodness. We just got our drinks to go. But I will definitely be back here to sit down. Dustin's checking out a cubby hole over here by Via Napoli because we never come back here. Don't know what it is?
It's like fountain pops and stuff.
Cool. Like fountain pops behind a glass. That's weird. But we got out here, we got our seat. I got the Italian martini and Dustin got the Italian margarita. They look alike, but they are different. Mine has limoncello and vodka and triple sec, and his has limoncello, tequila, and triple sec. So we're gonna try them, see how they are. It's very good, Dustin says. I'm gonna have to try his. I tried mine. It's very good. It's very tart. I like tart. If I'm gonna have lemon, I want it tart. So This is perfect on a beautiful night like this. It's almost like we went to Italy for our date night. Okay, so as we keep going on this perfect date night, let's talk about some date nights that you can have. So you can either have really expensive date nights at a Disney park, or you can have not quite as expensive date nights at a Disney park. No. So Dustin, where would you eat if you were going on a cheap date night? Say your paycheck doesn't come for a couple of weeks, you're down to your last, $20. What would you do?
You ain't gonna get nothing for $20.
See, I think you could share a funnel cake. You would probably not be able to get any alcohol.
No.
Maybe share a drink. Maybe let your significant other get a drink. Or maybe just, you don't always need to drink. It's fine. Now, if you're doing an expensive date night, obviously the sommelier, I would definitely come here to the wine cellar, get them a fancy Italian drink. And where would you stay? What hotel would you stay at?
Grand Floridian.
Grand Floridian? Grand Floridian. I agree. I think that is the most romantic of the resorts. Yeah. Grand Floridian, Polynesian. Yeah, those are both wonderful. But on a budget, for if it's just you and your husband or wife, significant other, you can't go wrong with Coronado Springs. It is really one of my favorite resorts. There's a baby crying. I don't like babies crying on my date nights. So there's this gorgeous bird up here displaying all of its feathers. It's ready for date night too. It's getting all fancy. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of fuzzy. It is one big bird. Bird, you are pretty. This one bird keeps chasing the other one. When you get old, bird watching is really fun. Oh, there he goes. Back to his perch. So I too had to check out this cubby hole that's right by Via Napoli. I've seen a lot of people come back here expecting a bathroom, but it's not. It is soda and beer behind a window. I think at one time this was a walk-up area probably to get a beer or whatnot, but it's got really pretty artwork, really pretty tile. The lights could definitely use a little cleaning. Lots of cobwebbies.
It's like fenced off.
Fenced off over there?
Yeah.
Was this the walk-up?
Ovens on the other
Was
side.
this the walk-up area for individual pizza slices at one time?
There is a thing that says pizza
I bet it was.
right there.
We just have never come back
Beers,
here.
cocktail, wine.
And I was just thinking, oh my gosh, I wish they had individual slices of pizza. That would be amazing. If so, open it back up. And as you're walking out of Italy, let's see if I can focus on it. Get this awesome statue of a guy that battled a alligator lizard. I don't know, but he reigned supreme. He did it. Good job. And if you want to have a risque date night, come and check out the naked trees. Only happens during the fall and spring though. During the summer, full leaves, all their clothes on. But right now, they are showing the goods. So we stopped over here at the Pastoral Palette over by Germany. We are getting the wild boar cassoulet.
One boar.
Thank you. I'll take that if you want to grab the food. I wasn't sure about trying this, so we'll see, but we are hungry. after smelling the pizza at Via Napoli. So we ended up getting the wild boar cassolette from the Pastoral Palate. I think that's what it was called. If not, I'll correct that. But yeah, excited to try it. Dustin was in line to get a beer, but they ran out of it, and the other line was too long. So now we are over by the Regal Eagle. We found a seat because we are gonna watch some Broadway performers. So Dustin had his first bite of it. What's your review?
A little dry.
Yeah, I didn't think that it had a lot of flavor. I thought the beans had more flavor than the sausage. Yeah, that's okay. We'll find another thing.
It's all right.
Yeah, still good. We got a highlight to share. We're at perfect place to catch some of the music without having to have waited way too long. So looks like they still actually have a few seats in there, so you really don't have to usually wait right at the beginning. I mean, if you have a big group, yes, wait. But if it's just, you know, you and your date, you know, you can get a seat relatively just walking in at the last minute. This is what I was waiting for. We've got him doing some Aladdin. He performed this, I believe, on Broadway in Canada. I'll show what else that he did. I know that he's done this.
Thank you. Thank you.
Michael, I feel like we should pick up the tempo on that one. Just kidding, man. Oh, Michael.
My parents just.
So we just finished our free entertainment at the Broadway performers. It's amazing. Perfect date night entertainment. Very romantic. The atmosphere is beautiful. The sky's just starting to get a little dark. The weather is perfect. So it's been a very, very good night. We found Pascal. He is hiding over here by Germany at the Caramel Couche, eating some caramel popcorn. Oh, he's a lucky little lizard. So we stopped over here in the Pop Gallery right over the bridge. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with these. These are so cute. Michael Rise, that does the art for Gideon's, just has my heart. And Dustin found a music box. What is it? Just a little.
It doesn't say Jeep, but I don't know.
Here, play it for the camera. I don't know about that. Tiny music boxes. Okay, then for date night, if you want to be real fancy, buy your date some perfume in here. The Layla perfume is amazing. But if you're on a cheap date night, they have free testers. Gotta do it. Ooh, I just kind of sprayed it in my mouth. That was gross. It doesn't taste good, but it smells so good. And when you're extra romantic like us, we come and look at the trolls. They're so ugly, they're cute. Look at that one. She's picking her nose. Oh, that's us.
That must be the one that sells the most because there's hardly any
It must
of
be. Looks kind of like Dustin. More date night fun is to come and say hi to the big troll. Then if you rub his nose, you're supposed to get good luck. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Didn't work. I think I just got germs instead. And we're over here by the smoke bubbles. This is right outside the Odyssey Pavilion restrooms. There they go. And they're filled with smoke. Huh. So when they pop, smoke comes out of them. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's fun. So our date night has gotten to dessert time. And Dustin is going to try the freeze-dried Skittles cake, which I've already had. I'm so excited for him to try this. He's not a big dessert person. But I'm so interested in what he thinks. Mainly about the Skittles.
So should I have the Skittle by itself?
Yeah, try the Skittle by itself. Pretty good, huh?
Pretty good.
I kind of want Skittles like that all the time.
Right?
But yeah, it's good. Oh, then it's falling over. I think we got the leaning tower of cake.
Yes.
But it's so cute. And there's Figment, the artist, hanging up there, which I've heard was an animatronic that was actually in one of the earlier versions of the Figment ride. How we miss Dreamfinder. Okay, we found the talking trash can.
This is my lucky day. French fries. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop that. I ordered pastrami, not salami.
Cool. Thank you. Hey, it's mine.
Okay, next stop on date night. I'm getting a little thirsty. Let's head into Club Cool. Try some free sodas. And the floor is properly getting sticky, unlike when it first opened up. Okay, so Dustin, if you like your date and it's going well, which drink do you choose?
Beverly.
For a good date?
Yeah.
What do you think our date's going like?
Beverly.
Beverly? Okay, let's do it.
No, I don't want to do Beverly. I did it.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Our date's going well. Dustin picked Beverly. Cheers.
It's not as bad as I remembered.
He poured me a way bigger shot.
No, I did.
Okay. Okay, Dustin, if our date's going bad, which do you choose?
This one.
Okay. This one? Okay, we're doing China. Okay, bad date drink. Cheers. Okay. I don't know, I like this one.
It's worse than Beveryly.
No, it's
How can you like
good.
that? That is worse than Beveryly.
It tastes like barbecue chips. It's good.
Yeah, that's not gross. That's gross.
He's gonna do Russia next, which is a cucumber Sprite.
Alright, I think I'm done after that. That's
Let's
enough.
see, which one should I do?
So you only have 3? No, I work 5.
I'm picking this one. You wanna push it for me? That's enough? I'm gonna do Madagascar.
Actually, you are one of my favorites here.
No, I like the China one. That's my favorite. I would drink that again. Okay, so we had our first tip on the date tonight. He likes Beveryly better than the China drink, and I thought the China soda was the best of all. So, our compatibility level at this point, I'm not sure. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see how it goes, whether I take him home or not. Okay, so we made up after the whole Club Cool debacle. And now he's taking me for some retail therapy. You know, he is one dang good date. I'm obsessed. It's my favorite color. It is so me. I gotta try him on. Give me a second here. You're so cute. Had to take a break from date night to think about real life things. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Would my dogs not look so cute in this? Would they actually use it? No. But it's so cute. Oh, and it's so soft. I might sleep in it. So I'd say the date night went pretty well. We had a lot of fun. We did a lot of things, but you know the best dates. How do the best dates end, Dustin? With the ride on Guardians of the Galaxy, of course. Our return time just got called. We got into the parks around 3, so I wasn't sure we didn't have a virtual queue, but we were able to get one. So that was 2 hours after the 1 o'clock call. I'd say that's pretty good. It said we'd be getting on around 9 o'clock. It is now 7, so yeah, way earlier. Perfect. I'm excited. It's my favorite ride here. We are walking through the queue. It is looking like a pretty low crowd. Last time we were here, we had to wait quite a while in the queue. We were backed up clear into that room, and this time we're walking right through it. That is awesome. One thing about this queue is it lasts a long time. So we're going through the line. This is one place that you get a little Universal here too. You get Chris Pratt here. You get Chris Pratt over at Jurassic World. But you know who I'm really here for? David Bautista.
Oh, yeah.
So we are zooming through this queue. I have never gone this fast through here. I guess that's a recommendation. Wait till the 1 o'clock virtual queue. Every time that we've gotten the morning one, it has been, we've been lined up. We are out to the other part, and we're just walking straight through. It's awesome. Okay, Dustin, what song are we gonna get? If it's a bad date, what song?
I don't even know what the choices are.
I'm gonna say if it's a bad date, we get Gloria Estefan.
Okay.
If it's a good date, we get September. And if it's a really good date, we get a song we haven't heard before.
True.
So we will see. Wish us luck. So Guardians determined it was a good date night. We got September. I'm still kind of rocking out and my legs are still kind of jiggly. Yay! Such a good ride. Probably my favorite here at Epcot. Maybe one of my favorite rides of all time. Dustin?
I would have to agree.
Yeah, definitely good. And as we make our way to the exit after this perfect date night, it's getting that time. Have to get home, have to wake up and take our kid to the bus stop in the morning. but you cannot miss this sight. Maybe the best thing that came out of the 50th anniversary. Absolutely stunning. So, the last date night has come to an end. Back home to real life we must go. But we had fun. We had a lot of fun. We did a lot of things. Relatively. We rode one ride, ate some good food, watched some great performances, and just had an overall wonderful evening in this beautiful weather. But yeah, thanks for third wheeling it with us, you weirdo. No, thank you for real for watching our silly little videos and for subscribing. It means the world to us. Keeps me entertained, so thank you. But in the end, we did the things, we drank the drinks, and now it's time to say bye.